How did you become this way?
Well, that's an interesting story. I've been going to the same therapist for 23 or 24 years
she can't even
after
figure
my
it out.
first divorce. And, how did I become this way? Well, first of all, I wanted to work on Wall Street since I was 11 or fly a plane. I kind of knew what I wanted to do when I was a kid, right? And that's because of Warren Buffett being on a show called Moneyline with Lou Dobbs. I was 11 or something, and I really fell in love with the idea of working on Wall Street and buying all or part of companies. And if I would have listened to him, I'd be a much richer man. I chose a path of what he talks about, making things really complicated. And so I've can I, is it?
Yeah, you can curse.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many things that you can't even, well, I never know where these broadcasts, you know. I was on NBC the other day and I realized I cannot say any cuss word. So I've made so many mistakes, and yet despite that, I'm still here. And if I read you the list of the mistakes I made and continue to make new ones, that's a miracle.
But
I'm
aren't
actually
mistakes a part
celebrating
of growth?
today because today's my birthday right now, right?
Happy
And
birthday.
thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
I'm 54 and I'm celebrating the idea that I'm still here.
Right.
So I'm mesmerized by that.
But aren't